Of all our remarkable features, the nose is often overlooked. We might admire a shapely nose or giggle at a prominent one, but rarely do we ponder the everyday miracles performed by this unassuming organ. It's time to give the nose its due. This cone-shaped protuberance in the middle of our face is far more than just a facial feature. It's the gatekeeper to our respiratory system, a master chemist deciphering scents, and even plays a role in how we taste our food. So, what makes the nose so fascinating? For starters, it's responsible for our sense of smell, a powerful sense linked to memory, emotion, and even survival. Ever notice how a familiar scent can transport you back to a childhood memory? That's the power of your nose at work. Beyond this, it conditions the air we breathe, filtering out dust and warming it before it reaches our delicate lungs. Let's delve deeper into the intricacies of this often overlooked organ. The nose, despite its outward simplicity, boasts a surprisingly complex internal structure. Externally, we see the nostrils, the two openings that draw air inwards. These lead to the nasal cavity, a larger space divided by the septum, a thin wall of cartilage and bone. The nasal cavity is lined with a mucous membrane, kept moist by a constant supply of, you guessed it, mucus. This mucus is no mere annoyance. It traps dust, bacteria, and other particles, preventing them from reaching the lungs. Further up, the nasal cavity connects to the olfactory bulb, the brain's smell center. Tiny hairs called cilia, coated in olfactory receptors, line the olfactory bulb. These receptors are the key players in our sense of smell, detecting odor, molecules in the air, and sending signals to the brain for interpretation. Next time you inhale deeply, appreciating a pleasant aroma, thank your cilia and olfactory receptors. The nose's primary function are twofold: respiration and olfaction, or in simpler terms, breathing and smelling. Breathing, an activity we rarely think about, is essential for life. With every breath, the nose draws in oxygen-rich air, which is then filtered, warmed, and moistened before traveling down the trachea to the lungs. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide, a waste product of respiration, is expelled. This constant exchange of gases ensures our cells have the oxygen they need to function. Smelling, while not as vital as breathing, plays a crucial role in our survival and quality of life. The ability to detect spoiled food, gas leaks, or smoke is thanks to our trusty noses. Furthermore, our sense of smell enhances our enjoyment of food, allows us to appreciate perfumes and fragrances, and even plays a role in social interactions. Think about it. We use phrases like, "something smells fishy," to indicate suspicion, demonstrating the subconscious connection between smell and our emotions. Now for some fun facts. Did you know that humans can distinguish between 1 trillion different smells? Or that our noses continue to grow throughout our lives? And here's a surprising one. Each nostril takes turns smelling, with one nostril dominant at a time. These quirky facts highlight the fascinating complexity of this seemingly simple organ. The nose, though often underappreciated, is an essential and fascinating part of our anatomy. It allows us to breathe, smell, taste, and even express ourselves. So the next time you take a deep breath of fresh air or savor the aroma of your morning coffee, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of your amazing nose. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.